Hi, I hope that you're all doing great. So let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. Then the F sharp major 7 composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Then the A sharp minor also composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And eventually, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. And for now, I suggest that you play like this. So you will do 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play nothing. On 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play nothing. It should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At normal speed. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
But if you want to get closer to the original, you will need to play the F sharp major 7 and the G sharp major on the 4th beat, so that you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at normal speed, it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So you play this chord twice for the introduction, and then you'll be able to move on to the verse using this same chord. 3, 4.
From walking home and talking loads to seeing shows in evening clothes with you, from nervous touch and getting drunk to staying up and waking up with you.
Now you reach the pre-chorus, which will be played with a new chord. Let me display it to you, and you will have 2 additional chords. First, the C sharp major over G sharp. So the C sharp major, you already had it, C sharp, F, G sharp, but this time you will play it with the G sharp in the bass. And then the G diminished composed of the C sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. And I will continue with the same playing method.
Now we're sleeping on the edge, holding something we don't need. All this delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go.
And you reach the chorus, which will be played with a new chord. Let me display it to you, and I will continue with the same playing method.
So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me? Everything that's broke.
So on the word broke, you will repeat this chord a second time, and be careful with the last chord. This time it will be a G sharp major.
Everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me, and I'll be me.
And at this point, you can go back to the introduction chord and play it twice in a row. Then you could continue with the second verse, the second pre-chorus, and the second chorus using the same chords, but you could also play these chords using arpeggios. So here's a readapted chord to this new rhythm, and this time you will play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do this on every chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will resume with the next lyrics.
From throwing clothes across the floor to teeth and claws and slamming doors. that's all we're living for. Why are we doing it anymore? I used to recognize.
And you reach the pre-chorus. So here's the corresponding chord, and I will continue with the same method.
I used to recognize myself. It's funny how reflections change. When we're becoming something else, I think it's time to walk away.
And you reach the chorus again. So here's the corresponding chord, and I will continue with the next lyrics.
So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? Everything that's broke.
And again, on the word broke, you will repeat this chord one more time.
Everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you and I'll be me, and I'll be me.
And now you can replay the introduction chord twice and then move on to a bridge, which will be played with a new chord. So here's the corresponding chord, and I will go back to the first playing method.
Trying to fit your hand inside of mine when we know it just don't belong. There's no force on earth could make me feel right. No, oh, trying to push this problem up the hill when it's just too heavy to hold. Think now is the time to let it slide.
After this section, you can replay the chorus using the corresponding chord, then follow with the introduction chord, and finally end this song with the C sharp major chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.